Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can send someone message, direct message in Hilokal language exchange app. So here you can see it's the home page of Hilokal, but if I want to send someone message, then how can I send them? So I'm just going to enter any room. So I'm just going to enter room, but to be honest, maybe there is some problem in audio because I'm recording. So just follow my step. I'm just going to click this room, and then wait a second. So I have to click someone profile. I'm just going to click someone profile. I can it's a DM. It means direct message. So that's it, friend. You can direct message, or you can uh, do this thing in this home page. So I'm just going to click someone, and then once I click someone, then or I'll see their profile. So this profile, then you can send message through this way. DM, it means direct message. Once I click DM, then you will see that always follow community guidelines, do not give a request personal question, be great at language partner. So it's really good. I'm just saying hi and send. Okay, so you can send like this. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's no man, thank you for watching.